authorities have issued a required monthly test for Caroline VA, Hanover VA, Louisiana VA, Orange VA, Spotsylvania VA,
Hanover County, and Caroline County.
Beginning at 11 a.m. today and ending at 12 a.m. Requested to broadcast this program for a test of the system and the following Virginia localities: Louisiana County, Spotsylvania County, Orange County, Hanover County, and Caroline County. All EAS stations serving these localities are requested to broadcast the following test and designs of the
Alerting signal to the people who live within 10 miles of the North Anna nuclear power station. In the event of an actual emergency, 4 separate 3-minute siren blasts would be sounded, each 3-minute blast separated by 1 minute, alerting you to tune to your local emergency alert system, radio, or television station. To repeat, the signs you just heard were a test to the early warning siren system and the Dominion Energy North Anna nuclear power station. There is no emergency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
Your local emergency alert system, radio, television power station. To repeat, the signs you just heard were a test to the early warning siren system and the Dominion Energy North Anna nuclear power station. There is no emergency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
3.8 between Cathedral Avenue and Woodley Place. There is 95.
Orange County.
The nuclear power station. There is no emergency. The early warning siren system is designed to provide an alerting signal to the people who live within 10 miles of the North Anna nuclear power station. In the event of an actual emergency, 4 separate 3-minute siren blasts would be sounded, each 3-minute blast.
Orange VA, Spotsylvania VA, and Fredericksburg VA, beginning at 11:18 a.m. and ending at 12:18 p.m. We interrupt this program for a test of the emergency alert system in the following Virginia localities: Louisiana County, Spotsylvania County,
concludes the
Orange
test of the
County,
emergency
Hanover
alert
County,
system.
and Caroline County. All EAS stations serving these localities are requested to broadcast the following test message for the Dominion Energy North Anna nuclear power station. There is no emergency. The signs you just heard were a test to the early warning siren system around the North Anna nuclear power station. There is no emergency. The early warning siren system is designed to provide an alerting signal to the people who live within 10 miles of the North Anna nuclear power station. In the event of an actual emergency, 4 separate 3-minute siren blasts would be sounded, each 3-minute blast separated by 1 minute, alerting you to tune to your local emergency alert system, radio, or television station. To repeat, the signs you just heard were a test to the early warning siren system at the Dominion Energy North Anna nuclear power station. There is no emergency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
Alright, so going to the...
Guys, Mason Newton here, back with another video. Today we're going to be recording the North Anna on WBlock.
It's not WBlock, but okay. Going to the DVR, I'm joined alongside SPC Marion 3831 for this clip. Going to the DVR, WTVR's relay of North Anna's test. No message, as expected. They have a DAS deck and they can't pull text-to-speech. VPN did not relay the test. This is the second monthly in a row they have failed to relay, so I'm not sure why they're failing to relay this stuff, but here's WTVR.
It's our chance to win.
Alright, that'll do it for the video. Thank you for watching.